this house has so many options. There's so many rooms. You can do an Airbnb strategy, or maybe you just want to live in here and use it as a cottage. Again, this place is 35 minutes from Toronto in the Durham region. A bit far from Toronto, but again, not too far. You can easily commute, whether that's on the train or that's on the car. It's literally perfect. It's a paradise. Honestly, I might consider buying this myself. But again, this house is for sale, 1.3 million. If you are looking to get it, just send me a message, contact me however you can, and we'll get you in the property. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and right now I'm at a $1.3 million luxury home in the Durham region. I'm here with the homeowner, Michelle. Say hi, Michelle.
Hi there.
And right now we're gonna walk through the property, show you guys some of the amazing fixtures. The backyard right now is what I'm looking at behind the cameraman, and we're gonna show that later. That's already crazy by itself. But right now, we're gonna walk into the house and you guys are gonna see exactly what it's about. Let's go.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is what I call the grand opening. I mean, if you're at a party, it's a great place to dance.
For sure.
Another thing too is that never look at a home's furniture.
Yep.
Because sure, I have this Roman look going, but
Yeah.
you have to create your own look.
Do you know how tall that ceiling is? I mean,
I think it's 40.
40. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so you get a nice view, and it's actually like a dream. Like a lot of times when I walk through, I'm like, do I really live here? I'm going to show you what I call a mini bar, which is not really the official kitchen.
Okay, cool.
But this is when you entertain.
Okay, nice. Oh,
and
yeah.
One other thing about it is that, is that when you look out the window, you can actually, people have to fight who's going to do the dishes.
Yeah.
I mean, they're like, I'll do them. And yeah, that's a fireplace you can have there. You can actually even add a table here. Again, whenever you purchase your own home,
you can design it,
add your own ideas to it.
For sure, yeah.
But my idea here was Venice. So I created the Venice look.
Yeah, I like that. And then over here we have
and also I'm trying to create an indoor garden.
Okay.
And these statues are actually called the Four Seasons. The originals are in Paris.
Oh, cool.
So this one's going to be the fall one. And then we have spring, summer, fall, and winter. And the reason why I bought them is because of the beauty of the Four Seasons.
Yeah, especially with this property.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The thing I do is I almost all my rooms have televisions.
Yeah, okay, cool.
You know? And
so where are we going from here?
we just go straight
Upstairs, cool.
One of the areas that you can actually eat it. Yeah, so this is just one of the tables. And again, it's nice to eat.
Exactly, and have that view. That view is just, we still have that view from here too.
Yes.
It's crazy, yeah.
And no matter where you go, you'll have the view.
You'll have the view, yeah.
Yeah,
and
so if you and I were
right
just walking on this way.
Yeah.
And I also try to put plants, but you'll notice a lot of my plants are not real.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is done for a reason, because I don't want to maintain, but you can always have real plants.
Of course, yeah. Lots of sun coming in too.
Yeah.
100%. Cool. And I guess this is the kitchen.
That's the kitchen, but we're going to skip that for a moment. I'm going to take you somewhere else.
Okay, no problem.
Just to let you know, this house has 5 entrances.
5 entrances, okay. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, this one has 5 entrances, which means if you have a large family, you can actually have your own little thing.
Your own room, yeah.
Or you can actually even do an Airbnb.
Yeah, you can do Airbnb.
And it's all separate. And this will take you to this area here.
We're going to go outside now and show you guys that for a bit. Cool. This is a sneak peek of the upstairs.
Yeah.
Wow.
So whoever's here, it could be the owner, or if you have an Airbnb, they can actually enjoy their own area right here.
Exactly. Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Cool.
We'll have barbecue later.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And I guess going back inside now. So you said this house has 5 bedrooms?
Yeah, we're going to go back inside, but there's something that I'm going to be doing.
Okay.
If you look very closely, this could be a room where you can actually work out as a gym, have it as your office.
Exactly.
I mean, your desk could be right here.
There's so many opportunities.
But if you look closely, we are actually standing over a pool.
Really?
And anyone that wants to remove this floor, the pool is still there.
Okay.
And I just want to make it an extra room.
Yeah.
But I'll show you down here where the pool actually is.
Okay, cool.
See?
Oh,
The pool is actually here.
Yeah. You guys see that? Look, so I guess they floored the pool over because they didn't need it. But if needed, you can just take all this out.
Yeah.
And the whole thing is a pool.
I think that taking out's gonna be much more easier and quicker than what putting it in.
Yeah, probably.
Because we had it professionally done, so.
Yeah, it was just demo work. Yeah, that's insane. Wow.
But again, the workout room, an office,
Anything.
even if you have kids, your own a study room.
Yeah, for sure.
You know?
A playroom. Yeah.
So like if you're cooking here, you can actually look over and you see the water.
Yeah, you can.
But then you can create having your mess, but it's a quite large room.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You know, and this is more for privacy.
Exactly.
Actually, I'll step out, and you guys, and you can step in and take a look.
Cool. Yeah. No, it's
and
very.
if you can see it from left to right.
Nice. Yeah. How did you guys want to get in here? Look at that.
So now we're gonna actually go up the stairs.
Okay.
Like I said, there's 3 bedrooms here.
Yeah.
There is the original front of the home, which a tenant is there, but is leaving very shortly. But there's another 2 bedrooms there and another bathroom.
Yeah, and we won't be able to go there.
Not today.
Yeah,
but
so that's fine. So
if you
again,
come next time.
if you are interested in this property, just send me a DM on Instagram or comment below, and we'll get you in the house, and you can see the whole house in its entirety. Actually, get to see the view yourself, because I'm pretty sure the camera is doing it justice, but I don't think it is enough. Like, so again, if you want to get in, just let me know. And yeah, let's check out the other
Well,
rooms.
one thing I think the camera's missing is the sound of the waves and the sound of the birds.
Yeah.
And that's one thing that you can't capture.
Exactly.
Like even if you want to put it up on tape or like and listen to it, the original is just the most beautiful.
Exactly, for sure.
So I like to call this my morning area.
Okay, and I like the stairs again, like the gold lining over there and the marble.
Well, I think it makes it look a little bit rich.
Yeah, it does, for
and
sure.
I picked through Europe and saw castles.
Okay.
And I love castles, so why not live in a little one?
Yeah.
I was going to take you over the balcony.
Okay.
To show a bit of the backyard and upper level.
Okay, sure, yeah, another sneak peek for you guys.
Oh yeah, and for my statues, this is the winter statue.
Okay, cool. So we've seen spring and winter.
Oh, summer, spring, they're all there.
Okay, cool.
I guess that's why they think it's Versace.
Oh, there we go. It's a guys, this is not a sponsored video.
Okay, no.
But Versace, if you want to give me money, just let me know.
Yeah, this is where I usually come in the morning. Like I said, this is my morning deck.
Wow.
But I mean,
Crazy.
it is.
Wow.
And again, the birds, the clouds. Oh yeah, by the way, there's Rochester, New York.
Okay.
You could, on a very hazy day, you could actually see the lights.
Wow.
You can actually see Toronto and the CN Tower.
Wow.
Now the CN Tower is about this big.
Yeah.
But just to let you know how close this property is close to Toronto.
Exactly, yeah.
And we have the GO train.
Yeah, we do.
So the actual GO train will take you 35 minutes with the express to Toronto.
There you go.
And you have no traffic.
Yep. Wow.
Straight to Union Station.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Cool.
Okay. So I'll take you through this way. Now again, I have this bedroom here, but you don't have to have it in this location. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to introduce you to Henry.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Henry.
So this is Henry.
Okay. Hi, Henry.
Hi. He protects me while I'm sleeping.
Cool.
And then I've got the Mona Lisa bed.
Wow.
I mean, even this bed, I have remote controls.
Yep.
And again, a TV.
Yeah.
And once I remote control it, the bed goes up and down. I have all positions.
Oh, wow.
And the other problem that I have is, yes, I have a TV in front of me.
Yeah.
But sometimes I can't stop looking at the water.
Of course, yeah.
I've been here for so long, and looking at the water is something that I just can't stop doing.
Yeah, and you have the perfect window right there.
Yeah, actually this house does have multiple skylights.
Yeah, exactly. The skylights is something I like as well.
And by the way, none of them leak. So that's a good thing.
That's amazing, yeah.
Yeah, so you can see the sun when it rains and everything. It's beautiful.
Cool.
This is my other bedroom.
Nice. Oh, wow, yeah. Every room is also extremely unique. Like,
Yeah, one thing about this bedroom is that I do see the sunset and sunrise from the window. This street here only has 50 homes on the water.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like...
It's exclusive, yeah.
Yeah, it's exclusive.
It's extremely unique, guys.
And also there's an extension that's been added from the original homes.
Yeah, exactly.
So there's an original home and then there's the full extension. The original home is where the tenant is.
Exactly.
And that's
and
what
we
you don't
can't
see.
go there, yeah.
So that's an actual home in itself.
Exactly, yeah.
2 bedrooms, a washroom and everything.
Yeah.
This is just added.
Exactly.
Then I'll show you my ensuite.
Ooh, okay. Wow.
And there's 2 things that this also has. Guess
TV.
what it has?
Yeah, TV
and the view of the water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you know that the Raptors have a chance of winning.
Oh, yeah. Raps in 6.
Yeah. So guess where I watch the game?
In here in the bathtub.
In here in the tub. My TV's behind you. And then again, I take a quick peek at the water.
Commercial, and we have Versace again.
Yeah, we do.
Not an ad. Not a sponsor yet.
And one good thing about this shower that you really like is that it has 9 jets.
Yeah.
So when you're actually in there, you feel like you're in a car wash.
Wow.
And that changes color.
Oh, really?
So when it's a really bright red, that means it's too hot.
Okay.
And then it starts going
that's pretty cool.
blue, that means it's too cold. So you want the middle color.
Wow.
Yeah.
That I've never seen that before. Personally, I've never seen that. Yeah.
Let's have a holiday, 365 days of the year.
Yeah, exactly. That's literally what this is. It's literally like a getaway retreat from Toronto, but it's actually so close to Toronto that it's insane. Again, if you guys want to come actually see this property, if you want to purchase this property, just send me a DM down below on Instagram, leave a comment. My email should all be there. Just contact me, find a way to contact me, and we'll get you in this house.
So you always have a room that you kind of want to hide things in.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm actually going through a move. So you're going to see bags and all that, but one thing you'll see is that the actual walk-in closet has a washer and dryer in it, a lot of closet space, and my clothes are in bags.
That's okay.
So just picture your clothes that are not in bags there.
Yeah, fair warning.
Yeah. So here's the washer and dryer.
Wow, yeah.
So when you actually remove your clothing, and you'll see the walk-in closet goes all the way back here.
Yeah, no, this closet's huge. Like, the lighting doesn't even do it justice either, but yeah, this closet is definitely huge.
Yeah, and then we have storage also here. And just to let you know that this house has an original basement from the original home.
Yeah.
And then it has another basement for the addition of the home. So you have 2 basements.
Cool.
And we're in the middle of one of the basements putting the... I'll tell you later, it's a surprise.
Okay, cool. Yeah, okay? We can see that then. This is
I'm moving, so this is the stuff here, but again, there's no TV yet.
Yeah.
But there's a view of the water here and also all along this way. So the house does have 6+ bedrooms.
Yeah, there's so much space in this house.
Yeah.
Insane. Yeah, this is crazy.
We forgot to say bye to Henry, but that's okay. Well, I would show you the other basement, but since we're close to this basement, I'll show you this, and just so you know, there's an additional one.
Yeah, and we can't go there.
So this house has 2 furnaces and 2 air conditionings.
And lighting too, like there's just so much natural light coming into the house.
Yeah. No, you don't need anything.
Yeah, you don't even need lighting, yeah.
And at night, you'll see like the moon, right? On the water.
Yeah.
So I can actually, if I go home in the dark, I can actually find my way all the way up the stairs without turning one light on.
Wow.
Because the moon actually...
It reflects, from the water.
Lighting.
Yeah.
And I like all the water paintings.
Yeah.
And creating of Venice. That's my look.
And so the basement's unfinished, but that's just perfect. For anyone that wants to even flip this, they can just come in, do some work on the basement or whatever they want to do, and they can just easily flip it.
Yeah, so here we just have construction stuff on the floor, but this is the light for the pool table.
Yep.
That's a pool table. We have a ping pong table. The ping pong table, we have it in the basement, but we usually play outside.
Yeah.
And then we were just about to put up the air hockey.
Cool.
And here's a finished bathroom. And the only reason why I didn't finish it is because the house already has 3.
Yeah.
But this, we already roughed in 2 more washrooms.
Yeah, okay.
So if someone wants like 5 washrooms, it's all roughed in.
Exactly. So again, if you want to flip this and if you want to make like 5 rooms and you want to put it all in Airbnb, maybe do an Airbnb type of strategy, you can do that as well. Again, there's just so many opportunities with this house, so many rooms, so many bathrooms. Again, just hit me up and we'll get this through. And you said there's approximately 5,000 square feet.
It's 5,000 square feet and the house has 5 entrances.
Wow, exactly. Like that's extremely unique, especially in the Durham region. That's unheard of. So that's the inside of the house, and we showed a little bit of the outside, but now we're gonna take a look at the outside in its entirety. Let's go.
I really want to spend time enjoying.
Yeah.
So you'll notice that I'm going to show you flowers, but guess what? They're not real. And they're low maintenance. So if you want to add real flowers, that's fine. But I mean, you have so much other beauty.
Exactly.
I don't think it's really necessary.
Yep.
But yeah.
And I guess you want to maybe explain to us, because you have a bunch of patios, you want to maybe explain to us their purpose and what exactly you have going on?
Well, right now, this is for when I have a party, like the grand
the grand entrance,
Yeah, and I prefer to have my barbecues up on that patio there.
Yeah, and we went there,
Okay, and then this is where I usually, what's nice about this is that It's half shade and half sun.
Yeah, I like that.
So it's a perfect place even to read.
Exactly.
Not everyone likes sun.
Yeah.
And then I have these other chairs that I kind of just want to get it closer to the water.
Yep.
And then this is where I like to sunbathe. You know, and guess what? Nobody will ever see you.
Yeah, exactly.
The other homes that are next door are farther from the home because of the addition that was added.
Yeah.
And you have no neighbors.
Exactly, which is amazing.
Yeah.
And I mean, yeah, like this. You said we can even go down over there, right?
You can go all the way down.
Yeah.
And then I also have a picnic table down there, which is closer to the water.
Yeah.
If you want it specified, just bring you around this way and look down.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's go.
Now I want to add more water fountains in the backyard, but that'll just take away from the original noises.
Exactly.
So you will see fountains in the backyard, but I don't have them generating because you already have the natural one.
Exactly. Yeah.
But actually later on this afternoon I will be going up for a canoe ride.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, and getting some exercise. Like I don't really go to the gym much, but I do exercise. It's just enjoying the escarpment.
Yep, the gym right in your backyard.
And the escarpment is. It has stones at the bottom with cages.
Yep.
So there's no erosion.
Exactly.
No erosion and all that.
Yep. So literally right there, guys, that's where we were with the Henry statue, and that's where we were literally just standing. Again, like, there's so many views from this house. It's insane to capture everything. Like, it blows my mind, and we're probably going to be rolling some B-roll footage every now and then. And again, like, just again, roll the B-roll. This house has so many options. There's so many rooms. You can do an Airbnb strategy, or maybe you just want to live in here and use it as a cottage. Again, this place is 35 minutes from Toronto in the Durham region. A bit far from Toronto, but again, not too far. You can easily commute, whether that's on the train or that's on the car. It's literally perfect. It's a paradise. Honestly, I might consider buying this myself. But again, this house is for sale, 1.3 million. If you are looking to get it, just send me a message, contact me however you can, and we'll get you into the property. So we're basically done now, but before we leave, thank you to Michelle, and we just have one more thing we need to show you.
What?
If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe down below, and comment down below, and make sure you turn on post notifications. In the description, find my details, hit me up, and make an offer on this house before it gets sold.
Hey, I'd actually like to make an offer.
He's gonna make an offer. You guys better offer quick before he gets his house.